Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 13 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Let me start with a very real situation. You're standing in line at a cafe, or maybe you're sitting in a nice restaurant. The menu is in English, the waiter smiling and waiting. And suddenly, your mind goes blank. So you point at the menu and say, "This one, please." Don't worry, we've all been there. That's why today's episode is your dining out survival kit. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to order politely and describe food naturally without feeling nervous or awkward. Before we begin, do me a quick favor. If you want to speak English with confidence in a real life situations, hit subscribe now and stay with me through this series. All right, let's eat. I mean, let's learn. First things first. In English, especially in restaurants, politeness matters a lot. And one small change in wording can make you sound much more natural. Many learners say, "I want a burger." Is it correct? Yes, but does it sound polite? Not really. A better and more natural way is to say, "I'd like a cheeseburger, please." Or if you're in a casual cafe, "Can I get a latte, please?" Listen to how soft and friendly that sounds. Same meaning, totally different feeling. After you order, there's one question you'll hear all the time. The waiter may ask, "For here or to go?" For here or to go? This is where many learners panic. If you plan to eat at the restaurant, you answer with, "For here, please." For here, please. It simply means you're going to sit down and enjoy your meal there. But if you want to take the food with you, just say, "To go, please." To go, please. Or, "I'll have it to go." I'll have it to go. Short, simple, very natural. Wow, now this question won't scare you anymore. Now let's go one step further. Because speaking English is not just about ordering food, it's about expressing how you feel. And here's a common habit many learners have. They use the word delicious for everything. It's not wrong, but it's boring. If food is full of flavor, rich, and comforting, try this word instead. Savory. Savory. For example, "This soup is so savory and warm." This soup is so savory and warm. Hear that? It sounds more vivid already. Another great word you should know is mouthwatering. Mouthwatering. We use it when food looks or smells so good that you want to eat it immediately. For example, "The steak looks mouthwatering." The steak looks mouthwatering. Honestly, I'm getting hungry just saying that sentence. Now it's time to practice together. This is your shadowing moment. Don't just repeat the words, repeat the emotion. Imagine you're sitting in a beautiful restaurant. Relax, smile, follow my rhythm. Repeat after me. "I'd like the grilled chicken, please." "I'd like the grilled chicken, please." "Can I get a sparkling water with lemon?" "Can I get a sparkling water with lemon?" "I'll have that to go, thank you." "I'll have that to go, thank you." This pasta is so savory and rich. This pasta is so savory and rich. The dessert looks absolutely mouth-watering. The dessert looks absolutely mouth-watering. Great job. That sounded natural and confident. You see, ordering food in English is not just about getting what you want, it's about enjoying the whole experience. And now you have the words to do that smoothly and politely. Before you go, here's your homework for episode 13. If you could eat anything right now, what would it be? Write your answer in the comments using I'd like and add one word to describe the food. For example, I'd like a pizza. It looks mouth-watering. I'll be there reading your comments, so don't skip this part. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Tomorrow, in episode 14, we'll talk about shopping and prices, how to ask about prices and find a bargain without stress. Wow, super practical. I'm Michelle from the Everyday English channel. Don't just learn English, live English. See you in the next episode.